The chart pattern that we're going to talk about now is a bearish reversal pattern, also known as the double top. So as the name implies, this is when price attempts to break through a strong resistance twice and fails both times. But there are a few important aspects of this to remember and some key components that we're going to break down. So the first is we need this established resistance point, right? So you can see here the failed, breakout attempt number one. We could not close above this resistance level, so we pulled back. And also notice the huge volume on this bearish candle, right? So this is immediately your eyes are telling you, okay, that's a huge amount of volume on this push down, and look how sharp the decline in volume is following the push back into resistance. Okay, now you'll notice we fail another time to close above this, and that's when we start to reverse to the downside. And now you're starting to see this double pattern start to kind of play out here. So this is going to be your top one, right? Because this is where double top comes from. And this is top two. So this double top pattern is beginning to play out here. And now, of course, now that we've defined the two tops as well as the resistance, we need to define the neckline. So the neckline comes here. So this is where we pivoted and reversed into our second attempt. And I'm not going to mark the candle wicks. I prefer to mark the candle bodies. So we can say this is the neckline. So then we wait for a close below the neckline to confirm our pattern. And you can see on the next candle here, this is the close below the neckline to confirm our double top pattern here. And you can also see that we're starting to increase in volume on our push down. Now, what you can do is, let's say you want to use the neckline as your stop, you can. So you can say neckline as stop loss. So if you're entering contracts, you're entering puts here, you can use that as your stop loss. And if you want to target a next support region down, you can target this support region, which is, the bottom of this bull flag before we shot up here. And then you can see, boom, the double top has played out, and we get a nice move to the downside to nail our targets there. So anyway, guys, that is the double top. So that is a bearish reversal pattern comprised of two tops, failure to break out of that price point, a neckline break, and we want to see usually some increased selling volume on the push down.